Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.1 question number 4, that is evaluate. Let us evaluate this one, that is 4 question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is 8 to the power minus 1, 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. It can be written as 1 by 8 into 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 to the minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 4, 2 to the power minus 4. Now 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4, 2 to the power minus 4. Or it can be written as 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4, 2 to the power minus 4. We applied here that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now so we applied here that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, 1 by a to the power m. Here in this case, right, that we are getting 2 to the power minus 3 minus of minus 4 into 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. That we are getting 2 to the power minus 3, minus into minus is plus 4 into 5 to the power 3. That we are getting 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4 is 1 into 5 to the power 3. That we are getting 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is we are getting 5 into 25 into 5, 125, 125 into 2, that is 250. That the answer is 250, 250, and that is the answer of question number 1. Let us solve question number 2. Let us solve question number 2. Now question number 2 here you see is 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. That we are getting 5 to the minus is 1 by 5 and 2 to the minus is 1 by 2 into 6 to the minus 1 is 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 6, that is we are getting 1 by 60, 1 by 60 is 60, and that is the answer of question number 2. Here we applied the formula the a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.